This is an example of our oak recipe boxes. Has the autumn design engraved into it. Because oak is such a sturdy wood, it can be harder for engravers to work with. But we've been doing it for a long time, so we've got the process well down. You can see how these are hand screwed in. This isn't a made in America product. We've manufactured for years. Just a really beautiful box. And you can also see these do not come with it, but it looks really nice with our bamboo wood dividers, I think. So it's a great addition, and you can see I had some recipe cards in there. That's 40 recipe cards right there, so you can kind of see how many we'll store. This is an heirloom quality product that you'll probably have for 30 or 40 years at least.